Okay, so let me understand. How is Baumia? Because he's a Mampusi, and the fight is between. Though Baumia doesn't come from Boko proper. By any new Mampusi for versus Kusas for Neko. A trend is for the Ombe Baby Neura. And Ombe Baby Neurai. Tiam find a solution. Why? When you have been free. Dr. Mamadu Baumia. Ompejan and Sam call it for calm. Mama Yarga. Won't call it for calm. Our brothers, we cannot continue to kill ourselves. Keep it down, keep it down. Let's find solutions. Baby, eti bolabed no kuma. Already a number. Na dia yana are who say. Enipa wo di judge for atem. Enipa wo di sitting presidents atem. Enipa wo twa mada pelkuru ni. Nipa kankai brita. Futa. Na obedru kuro ni mu a. Near the nafa. VVIP. Presidents. Former president. Any diplomats ever. When a warrant is on that idiot. And we say we are resetting. So resetting, you know, a binding ni buo, a court warrant. Exactly. Court warrant da branches. Now we are branching the bar. Na national security for afano. Near enough for baby of presidents, former president, VVIP, gate 19. Near money V8 me and son. Na national security for Krotroga, the Pakan Kaisi. Your mama memu. The Pakan Kaisi wait. In 2020, 10 years, arrest warrant. Court will issue arrest warrant. The court ne Kenyan says so. This is just a chamber for. No, the deal just chamber for. Not just a chamber for. At the NCA case so. Samobakaya in 2020. A good father pencil. And the case court and NCA officials. Yes, we might discover NCA. And justice chamber for and preside over the matter. And a branch away his usual fashion. According to justice chamber for them. So our videos, our audios, our year justice chamber for your compromise. Have a young congo video. Any audio sukura no so na just chamber for a compromise. And whenever you scandalize the court, the court has been given an inherent power to protect itself. 10 years by operation of law, by the convention of the court. Whenever you scandalize, you guys was court no animuasi, a book court no animtia. All my court need look a certain way in the eyes of the people. The courts have inherent power. So omuba frel, say uwa cause contempt. And Mubakaya, Muntia case, you know. Na ye di a case of Supreme Court ne election petition. And a Muntia tre, Akuga ne a Mugabi. Womko di Supreme Court natem. Kasi ye be repeat ma, ye be repeat judge no. Ye be say, we are sir. What book court and when him tia. And by operation of law, ya ma court ni to me. Say obe fraud for contempt. Now of fraud na se wa ma. The court has been given the power to issue an arrest warrant. Now that we just were now arrest warrant no. A didn't issue arrest warrant. You issue arrest warrant and say the police should arrest you because the court has subpoenaed you. The court has subpoenaed when the Maraka was a bra. Maybe you are no. Now if you will not come, then the police must arrest you and bring you to the court. Never chire dientia any consequence court in the punish you. So by operation of law, arrest warrant when it's issued, it is not for you to go to jail because arrest warrant is issued. Have grounds are branches watch and more fire. And only young Kobo video, sa video na no shot at the white. What did justice chamber for them? Say over videos. I just justice chamber for while you compromise. It's a new free show. Over catch that and say justice chamber for a compromise. And yet e kwa bi so the judgment ba na anko no say the wo penwa wo bu court na nimtia if Justice Chebafo say bra wa ma dan ye ntie de ye ya Justice Chebafo eko issue eye arrest warrant to no so na ye we be ready arrest warrant na also wo seek to set us aside na obi ye the arrest warrant to so eno ye ko Supreme Court na go set na aside what do you more? There's a warrant is in such a way that the moment you are arrested and you are brought before the court, the warrant is discharged. It is also when you're here. Go to the court, and the warrant will have no effect again. What do you more? And now when you're for 2 phones, after you're judges in the bedroom, Muntie Asamokai, Muntie.
I have tapes, audio. I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Chebafo has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself. This is not a warning, but a serious caution. I have said, I have tapes, audio. I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Chebafo has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself.
Eti abranche Jani General Obi abranche time Justice Chebafo eti NCA case and was say our tapes our audios kire say Justice Chebafo ye compromise exactly why na Justice Chebafo say brananim for audio for tapes kro no bra ne be kire ye ntie ni kwase ye punish you remember the show on the police in the grounds of a application, very wap guy. Not getting the moon. You better read the points now, make it now. You heard one by one. You read your court in a court. It also what judge or cases or audio or tapes. Actually, man for say he's been compromised. What's a bra? For audio tapes in the bra. Wow, now say you may issue arrest warrant against you. Now, young Kosha arrest warrant in Justice Chebafo issued in 2020. If you feel civil rights or fundamental human rights has been abused, there are processes that you go through. Constitutional and Article 33. It says that when you feel your fundamental human rights have been abused, you have to go to High Court and make sure you seek for a redress. It will head of Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges in the year. If it's a fundamental human right, the arrest warrant was not issued in accordance with the law. Where is he supposed to seek a redress? Is it not a High Court? Supreme Court original. There are so many cases. This versus the Attorney General. So many cases are there. Which says that you cannot wrap the enforcement of your fundamental human right and make it more like a public spirited issue. Public interest in a case. Now coincidentally, Otina Honwa, Emma Jomama appointed 7 judges. Now quickly, what the other so set aside. I was set aside. Have a young warrior, Daddy. Justice Chebafo issue arrest warrant. You read the arrest warrant. Now you read the wording of the arrest warrant. Niyan say arrest warrant is in such a way say the court in the person who can say wo ya frasa bra now madia police moncheno enfamra. As it stands now, the arrest warrant is still effective. It's ya shakwan ya be faso national security for be bo akwa we hu bai. Nobody na ko Supreme Court to say omo kwa ma yi sa arrest warrant for. If the national security, police, by the time a guy will be free sa hotel, me no ka say me be owo. Self ye be a Mahama we in the service. No see a fan channel. Former Vice President Fio, I want to boy yakotra. And the heavy security. What kind of foolishness? Baby I can tell atini. Baby a president, I want to ask second. Etimu can tell abuse mo. Or to baby a former president of Mahama we in the service. No see a fan channel. And the heavy national security. Now your mama name say BBG channel. Now kwasi adi we was so. Na ye shakwan ye be faso say arrest warrant is still effective wa akwa we be free ni fie ho akopie eye court wo Supreme Court wo on the 22nd a ye arrest no if say o free sa fie ho eko court wo even see you arrest, you the arrest warrant to so. You don't to no fly a list so. So the very moment our Orlando airport, immigration is supposed to alert the police. National security is to alert. Supreme Court. That means all of you are in contempt of the court. Mu court nti. Na mo to dim kwasasem. Sa abrantie wi. Oye hwanya. Kwasia se ye hwanya. Bola bedu ye hwanya. Obi, eti already arrest one baby otini. Baby omrika mintela court. Under heavy national security protection. National security is what check Taylor because arrest warranted and so on. Police say check Taylor because arrest warranted and so on. Sa police in the airborne hobby. Where is state? Where is state? My build this state. Where is state? Just look at that. Ave Kevin Taylor said, "Yeah, issue arrest warrant. What Tennessee more than a year, 5 years. One pair arrest warrant no one samanka. They say what the fake doctor ne buy I bogu and why yes and one sapa appointment. Name was arrest warrant and that's what. Get me an appointment. Yes, what Supreme Court echo offset it. Echo set it aside. Na yebusa arrest warrant no e ye badia. Now, Yebusa Justice Cheba Bafuboni. Henry Mensa Bunsu. Ajebu Sedu. Justice Lovelace Johnson. Justice Akabuafo. Justice George Kumsing. Justice Amadou Tanku. Justice Yoni Kolendi. Justice Aye Yao Jawu Ejewang. Justice Ejefrem Pong. Justice Dakwa Sare. Justice Jamefe. Justice Jamefe de Menkokura Brim no. Obaye obechere yade under constitutional law. Obaye no a one-time guest lecturer. Oshebenim was you are such an intelligent young man. Let me see me nyina mbesa me yes no. Justice Jamefe, we are watching the courts. Exactly. Oh fire. We are watching the courts. Oh fire. See a set ye de bench warrant atu obi so a. A court no mobile protect him home. A number of Kwasia where you wedding the court in what terms are a free justice is a mass or we are show. Now, young Conco have video as Aquawi edit a judge for Martin. Now, a young one was say Aquawi will be an issue of Kruma, and so be about sex in the body panel. Wait, there is a video. Oh, yes, a Supreme Court justice a man. Woman, what you know, num na obusa question bi baakubi o twempana oh my cat here baakubi okoha ekoyesi chese anytime akwa weni obi benya issue bia no enye obi na edi obi yira obi na edi obi kunu enye obi na edi obi kuna obi etrum enye obi na obi truma obi kwatisha obi ye gay. Just foolish is such a character. Kwasia say and then the state security protect Kwasia. Yentie do kafa judge radio obe scandalize a ma wo mo Supreme Court obegu omani mu ase. So omo ya shabofo etimede all the women at the Supreme Court and I can bet you there no person who can nyina say Chief Justice Araba Tokonu o ya shawoni tie de aka ni tie de aka ni e do ashada the man nyina agu ho na say judges no and the court no say mo protect mo ho na because of politics enti mo ba mo obi akwan so betimi adidi mo atema ya twen so mo ba be floodgate mo be floodgate na ko fo be wram bia be fam Sabranti obetimi agumani mu asese de ogu. Now in the name of politics, you the court will not protect yourself. We are watching.
The woman at the Supreme Court no obia din wom into obia ntie. Why ade we concern no? Be honest with yourself. Come out and let the people know. Resign before it gets murkier.
We know. Pause. Follow me. Debia will be says baby. That kind of what Jimmy ana. And the baby. Aqua we are mufridi nechi. So when you will be girl, we say what do you do baby? Justice Sheba for or the can answer Justice Sheba for one and a girlfriend. Make a sense of Justice Sheba for it to an about. And so just Cheba for one and a girlfriend. And this is the character we are protecting with our statement. Wait. Akwawi. Ave munche do obey man, muye do obey Supreme Court man.
Saying, so it would be better for all of us to protect our integrity. Which Supreme Court judge or your bar, which one of you goes to sleep at McCarthy Hill? Which one of you Supreme Court judges you say you are married?
Look at that. You say you are married, goes to sleep at McCarthy. What body dream no come? Be a send ho. Be a send ho. Abeyentie do obey man.
The place you go to sleep, the gentleman now Okodanifino, that gentleman was going through a divorce, and you, the judge, we are one of the female Supreme Court judges. You actually got that gentleman a lawyer.
It's way possible. So we Supreme Court judge be a warrior. Obi, nani kunu sha deal we ya. Onye unsure. Say emudia he say ya na yire, ananya na yire. So this is the way this guy scandalizes even women at the Supreme Court. Exactly. Very dangerous precedent. Say Supreme Court judge be. It is a me na me yire te wo. Na me tie say akwa we kasa ansem kunu no. Na me nim Supreme Court judge kura. Me yire dey me no. E dey na me dwene. And this is the kind of person yedi ye born hobai. State in born hobai. Ave yentie do obey.
3. You, the Supreme Court judge, we your bar, sir, nipa 5 you are about 15 years older than this gentleman. You are about 15 years old. You are older. You are 15 years older than this gentleman. Question 4, and this is a specific question. There is a place near the Swiss school, near Ekufuadu's place. You, this woman, have you been sharing bed in that neighborhood with a member of parliament? Listen, there is a specific place near the Swiss school. It's very near to Ekufuadu's place. You, the Supreme Court judge, you are a woman. You say you are married. You have been sharing bed with another politician. I'm giving you specifics so that you know that I know what I'm talking about. Who is this gentleman? Question number 5. Now, let me go more deeper. The gentleman you, this person you are seeing, the person you, this judge, you are seeing in Ghana is a businessman. He's rich. He's less educated. You, this woman judge, you go to this man's house. And the funny thing is you leave the house 5 a.m. every morning.
This is the character. The Supreme Court for so mama kwama we dey do matemwa. Etoje wo ma. Justice Bafuboni. Say if there's the character, mo pese mo protecting against the court. Etoje mo. Justice Jamefe, my role model. Etoje mo. I no dey obi any peka. Na yenkon koshe ovi na samo de court no yenkon ni yenkoshe the grounds on which he's looking for a defense say yen set it aside yenko the grounds also they set it aside okobusana ebako one of the grounds is that then yen ready the grounds no one of the grounds is that he was not given a hearing, so it breaches the principle of odi alteram pattern. Okay, so when we say odi alteram pattern, what it means is that when it comes to the principle of natural justice, odi alteram pattern and normal judas in casaswa. So odi alteram pattern says that whenever you accuse a person, the person have a right to obey appear to be heard. And I said, you can no more Judas in Kasasua. It means you cannot be a judge in your own court. But by operation of the law, even a directive from the CG, the Chief Justice, when he said back contempt, the contempt is in such a way that the moment a issue is brano, you are coming to prove why you should not be punished. So the principle of order interim partem and normal judex does not apply. In first place, so when you dump and dafter, order interim partem no, your natural justice law, or say, Yama Kwani NGO. Arrest warrant, yes, you're for arrest warrant, yes, you're for never for my day. Yentu, tis a wouldn't you me ya. Also, ya in the issue arrest warrant. Now, yes, a brand new Tionswa. Also, there, Wama. Then you buy idea. What is the essence of issuance of arrest warrant? Because arrest warrant, you be issue, it means yes, a bracot and also woman. Also, say there be and Jewan was them. Wait, I didn't wait. Lawyer need natural way I go to court. Wait. Where you arrest warrant. The Republic versus a year. You Jimbafu Bonnie. Okay, expert. The way arrest warrant. Where you warrant, no, may ready one no Kevin, no. I'm a tell and the court, no. Yan share no. Now you ready grounds for a year setting aside. Wait. You're not reading the point by point. They make some notes to be about the points I was raising. You're back up point 7, you're back up point 15, point 11. You're ready and educate your branch. And I need to enlarge. So, case I Kevin Taylor, they are to court. I see in the matter of the Republic versus a High Court, Commercial Division, respondent, ex parte Kevin Echo Taylor, applicant. So, on the court, say yes, it was I, Kevin Echo Taylor, of the United States of America, do hereby make an oath and say that he is even lying on oath, which is perjury. When you lie on oath, it's perjury. And we will show you where he lied on oath. Ojina say, and that was signed, yes, Akrate. So Kevintela is supposed to sign before we file the application. When him said that, or cast or fly or sign, we know. No, America. Or ye show that then the judge for nothing. Have a young hadie. I say, I a call Beduki Taylor. I am a deponent hearing an applicant in the above a year. The institute, okay, for I therefore depose, blah blah blah. Then if I'm going next page, you ready point by point. Let me educate this idiot. Yeah, grounds for okay, so you have grounds for application. You have point by the next page, which shows point 2, 3, 4, 5 in the other. You now you read it. Kokase mientia. Ya mami here. E could do baby. I say my name is Kevin Taylor, but the arrest warrant was for Kelvin Taylor, which is not my name. But the Uncrofor say, Yaminti, Mrs. say Yamia, Etienne Sadia, Monsati aside. Meanwhile, time I issue arrest warrant TV. There is a video of what it is Justice Sheba for him. Danny, enlarging near reading moment. Near reading point 7. And Danny, well, 22nd. Back of it, I say for quite some time, friends and relatives in Ghana have informed me that the High Court of the Republic of Ghana can tell us what him way. I'ma tell us one thing. Name on friends and family, and I inform me say has I say the High Court of the Republic of Ghana has issued a warrant for my arrest, but none of such relatives and friends have ever made available to me a copy of the High Court's order, despite several requests. Indeed, friends and relatives in Ghana have drawn my attention to several social media discussions of the said warrant for my arrest, but none was able to provide a copy for me for my attention. Ofui. Daniel Fanenko, near her video, tell me you issue arrest warrant in you know. Or Baba the justice chamber for them. So if you were unaware of the warrant, tell me now the justice chamber for them. I didn't read that. Such an unintelligent idiot. Daddy, was it 0.7 and 8? Was it one name hurry? Tienio, one name hurry. On tay. Now, Fen and enough for a drawn attention, say, why ye in Yadi? Ave Yabusa, Muntia video, Munti.
You Justice Chebafo, were you in this country? Were you in this country when an imbecile like Kennedy Japan? Were you in this country when an imbecile like Kennedy Japan was going around insulting all judges in Ghana? Were you in this country? Did you go after Kennedy Japan? You didn't, right? Because he's one of you. Today, I look in your face and I tell you the truth, and you want to explode. Kennedy, 1962, Japan insulted.
Okay, so hold on. Also, you're so daft that even your trauma, Kennedy, Japan, 1962, your birthday, your trauma, all really grown 1962 birthday, Kennedy, Japan, 1962. You are such a daft ass motherfucker. This fool, where you are going? Kennedy, Japan, 1962. Anyway. Who you script to free anymore? Pasiani abuan kwano beka. Abe muntie no beka change as chebafo.
In Ghana, you did not come out to issue a warrant for him because Kennedy is better than me or is better than the other Ghanaian on the streets. You have not lived up to expectations, and you don't even deserve to be where you are today. Justice Chebafo, you the same